With Remove Small Parts and RapidPipeline, you can automatically filter out tiny elements in your models, like trims, bolts, or screws, that you don't need. This industrial model contains many small meshes, such as screws around the motor, which add a lot of detail. If you wanted to remove this manually, it would take quite a bit of time. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. In the RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Remove Small Parts. You can tweak the size threshold at which the part will be considered small and removed. The size is set in scene units. Usually this is meters, but it depends on your scene. The algorithm works on a per part basis. For this case, we'll set the threshold to 0.3 and hit run. The small parts have now been removed, making our model much lighter. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.